We have all heard it. You get stressed, you feel panic rising, and someone says, "Just take a deep breath." So you do. You inhale a massive gulp of air into your chest. But instead of calming down, you feel dizzy. Your heart races faster. You feel even more panicked. Here is the truth. Taking a fast, high chest breath is often the worst advice for anxiety. When you gasp for air, you are not calming your nervous system. You are hyperventilating. Let me explain the mechanics. When you are stressed, you are likely already breathing too much. You are offloading too much carbon dioxide. If you take a huge inhale through your mouth into your chest, you lower your CO2 levels even further. This signals your brain that you are in danger. It constricts your blood vessels. It can mimic the physiology of a panic attack. Now, I can hear you saying, "Wait a minute. In almost every video on this channel, you tell us to take a deep breath." Yes, I do, and I will keep saying it. But here is the translation key you need. When we hear deep, we usually think big. We think of puffing up the chest like a superhero. But deep actually means down, deep in the body, deep in the belly. So from now on, when you hear me say, "Take a deep breath," I want you to translate that instantly to, "Take a low breath." Real relaxation isn't about volume, it is about location. We call this diaphragmatic breathing. Instead of expanding your chest like a balloon, you want to expand your belly, gently. Think of your lungs like a glass of water. You don't fill a glass from the top down, you fill it from the bottom up. Let's try the correct way together. Place one hand on your chest and one hand on your belly. Now inhale slowly through your nose and try to keep your chest hand completely still. Only move the belly hand. Now exhale slowly through pursed lips, like you are blowing out a candle. Notice the difference? The deep part happens low in the body, not high in the shoulders. Next time you feel stress, don't just take a deep breath. Take a low breath. Keep the chest still. Expand the belly. That is the real off switch for anxiety. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you understand your body a little better, please consider subscribing. See you next time.